Cryptos are back in business, especially Dogecoin. Dogecoin is blasting off, beating our expectations almost every single day. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is next for cryptos, where are they headed, and much more. So you cannot miss this entire video. What's up, Myles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency where we call out huge plays before they happen. And if you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, when to buy and sell, join my Patreon for only $10 a month. We are in huge profits in just the last couple of weeks with Cardano, with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, with Dogecoin, and much more. And if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button. It helps us support the channel and the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments, how do you think Dogecoin is gonna go this week? Taking a look at coin market cap, Bitcoin up 3%, Ethereum up 4%, Binance Coin doing well, up 8%, almost $400. Wow, Binance Coin came back quick. Cardano, almost $2. Cardano was just about $2 today. Looking amazing. Look at XRP up 15%, nearly 15%. Dogecoin up 10%. Uniswap 4%. Things are looking amazing for the crypto market. Why is this happening? What is going on? Institutions are buying. Retail investors are buying. The FOMO has settled in like I told you all would happen. This is just the start. Now, let me tell you this. The crypto market is actually going to go up higher and faster than the previous bull run that we saw just months ago. And Myles, how is this possible? Well, the amount of people that are in crypto is much more than the amount of people that were in crypto last year and just months ago. Even institutions, we have states, we have countries now involved in cryptocurrency. And this amount of money is going to pump cryptos way beyond the moon. No, we're not going to the moon. That whole moon thing is over with because we're already on the moon. We're now headed to Pluto. And after that, we're headed to other solar systems. So you guys better get ready. Put on your spacesuits, your moon boots, everything, because we are blasting off. Elon Musk hasn't even tweeted yet. Once he starts tweeting about Dogecoin, things are going to get crazy. It looks like he's really focused on his rockets right now. But behind the scenes, I know he's got a master plan for Dogecoin, master tweets. He's waiting for things to get very hot. Like I told you all a couple of months ago, it's like, look, Elon Musk has stopped tweeting for a little bit about Dogecoin because anytime he tweets, he doesn't even really affect the market. And he wasn't able to affect the market strongly because we were in a bearish time when things are scary, when people are fearful, when there's no hype, there's no FOMO. An Elon Musk tweet can't really do much in that type of environment. But in a very bullish FOMO environment, we saw what Elon Musk was able to do with some of his tweets for Dogecoin. Able to bring Dogecoin up from 7 cents to 42 cents in a matter of days. And then what? 16 cents all the way to 60, 74 cents in a couple of days after that too. So those are some of the things that we're going to be looking forward to. But I think the next run-ups are gonna be much bigger, much stronger, and much faster. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just my own opinion. So let's get to some of these headlines. Institutions are buying Bitcoin like it's late 2020. The amount of Bitcoin available on derivative exchanges hits its lowest since May 11. This is today, before the China miner rout took hold. So what we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges dropping like crazy. This means that people are taking their Bitcoin, they're taking their Ethereum, they're taking their Dogecoin, and they are taking it off of the exchanges. They are putting it into their cold wallets, cold storage, so that they can hold it long term. They don't want to get hacked, which they think is a possibility. Some of the people, they just want a safe and secure place to put their millions or billions or however much crypto they have. And it doesn't have to be only the whales that are doing it. It's small guys like me and you. They're taking their Bitcoin, they're taking their $5,000 or $100 worth of crypto, and they're putting it in cold storage because they believe in cryptos long term. Cryptos are the future. There's a couple of things that are certain in life. You have death, taxes, and crypto is the future. Now, let me know if you agree with that statement in the comments below. Bitcoin avoids bear market, long-term uptrend intact. Like I have been saying for such a long time. We are not in a bear market. A bear market is a long period of time where cryptos don't do anything and they just go down and down and down. I'm talking a long period of time, a year, a couple of years. We never entered into a bear market. We entered into a correction, a retracement, which is a period of time, a shorter period of time, especially when you can compare, the many months that we ran into a bull run, almost a year going straight up. Corrections happen, and they're, especially in the summertime, when things are slow. Money is slow in the summer. It's just how money works in the summer, unfortunately. But things can get slow for a month, a couple of months, 3 months. And I was telling you guys, this cannot last very long. Like, we might see a month. It could happen any day now. We could blast off back into the second leg of the bull run, which ended up happening. It was a quite long period of time to be in a correction. But a lot of that happened because of China FUD. There's just so many things that was causing that to happen. And it wasn't necessarily natural. So it's like a man-made correction that took a long period of time. But look at this. Bitcoin avoids the bear market, the long-term uptrend intact. So what we are seeing in the Bitcoin chart is that Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. That Bitcoin is on track to hit those numbers that all the analysts last year and earlier this year were saying Bitcoin was going to hit. Some analysts, banks were saying Bitcoin's going to hit 300K this year. Some analysts were saying Bitcoin's going to hit at least 150K at the lowest part. And how is that possible? If we take a look at the news that I just read to you all, the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges and other cryptos, the balance on the exchanges being removed on the exchanges, it causes supply and demand. It causes a supply shortage. That's how Bitcoin is projected to hit these high numbers, because it's a very limited asset, just like Ethereum now is progressing into that. And a bunch of other cryptos. Cardano is a limited asset. That's why these cryptos are able to go up so fast and so strong. But not every crypto has to be a limited asset like Dogecoin. Some other cryptos aren't designed like that. They're designed to be the way they are to allow that cryptocurrency to flourish. So just because Dogecoin has an unlimited market cap in a certain sense doesn't mean it can't hit very high numbers. Now, Dogecoin will never hit 50,000 or 100,000 per coin, but Dogecoin can certainly hit $10, it can certainly hit $5 in the years to come, and maybe even more. We'll definitely have to see. So compromised provision tanked by near retiree, but crypto shows DC. It's here to stay. So despite the compromise failing and the crypto tax amendment, the infrastructure bill, cryptos are continuing to go up. And the inflation reading that I told you all could potentially bring cryptos down today did not even have an effect. When strong negative news that generally affects the crypto market and the stock market is not affecting either of those markets, and specifically the crypto market, things are extremely bullish. That means that things are continuing very strong right now. It shows you the strength of the market. Depending on news and things on the internet and things that you see, if they're not affecting the market, that shows you the strength in the market. So take a mental note of that. When you know that the strength of the market is very strong, that can go to show you that things are about to blast off. Taking a look at the crypto fear and greed, we are at 70. I think yesterday somebody showed me that it was 69 or something. That was really cool to see. But we are at 70. This is FOMO time right now. Things are getting crazy. If we take a look at this chart, we are seeing a pretty clear uptrend with the greed starting to go up and up and up, which means the FOMO is settling in right now, which means that big pumps are underway. Most importantly, let's take a look at the crypto charts. Let's see what's going on with crypto. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, our favorite cryptos, just broke levels of resistance that we have not seen for a very long time. Bitcoin finally came up and tested almost $47,000. Very good to see. So we are in a very clear uptrend. Look at this beautiful pattern that ended up playing out. We had an inverse head and shoulders. Beautiful. It ended up playing out. We came up to the neckline, which we are just breaking out of right now. So we could definitely see a pump for Bitcoin, most likely to the level. This can bring us to 47.7, 47.5. So I think Bitcoin is going to continue up into this level unless something right now is pushing the crypto market down. Right now, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in the crypto market. Something healthy, definitely healthy. As this morning, we started to pump up quite strongly, especially after the inflation reading. Ethereum looking amazing, breaking levels of resistance. We ended up breaking out of the pattern that we did call out last night. So it's looking very beautiful, and we're breaking levels of resistance. So we had this ascending triangle pattern on Ethereum that we drew out last night. We ended up breaking out right here in this about 2:30 in the morning. So very good to see. It's looking like we'll most likely continue to break out until, we'll go ahead and measure it here. Ethereum should see about 34 to 3,500 here pretty soon if we can continue this bullish run. Cardano, $1.83, looking very bullish, was just outperforming the entire crypto market. We're getting a little bit of a sell-off here. Keyword little bit. So people are taking profits at this level. That's probably what we're seeing here. And we'll probably most likely continue in this uptrend. If we don't, we could definitely come down to $1.77 or even $1.70. These are some bearish scenarios that we could be looking at the next couple of days. For Dogecoin, we are breaking levels of resistance. We ended up playing this cup and handle. So as you see, we had a cup, we had a handle. We ended up kind of slowly breaking out of it, but then slowly tracing our way up. If you look at this, it's just these waves keep bringing us up and up and up. So Dogecoin looking extremely bullish. We are breaking levels of resistance, which is what we want to see in an uptrend. It just confirms our bullish sentiment. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or buy cryptos with or send to your bank account. If you guys got something out of the video, make sure you share this video with some of your friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, and I will see you all tonight. Have a good one.